So you want to go on that train, Mia? Okay. We gotta open the door. There we go.
Right there.
Okay.
And here are your guys' 2 tickets.
Thank you. Mia, what do you say?
Thank you.
So my name is Jordan. I'll be your guys' train conductor. Just remember to remain seated. Keep
Okay.
your arms inside. But
Okay.
most importantly, just have fun while we're on the train.
Okay.
So you guys ready to go?
Yes. Thank you. Cool.
Oh, look at Easter Bunny.
I know. That's for Easter time. Christmas time. Look, Christmas, Mia. Christmas.
Look, candy.
Candy. That must be. That's a chocolate factory.
Yeah. This is a cool one.
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Cool strawberries.
Strawberry. Yeah, with chocolate. Yeah. Oh my, look.
Cool.
Come
Look
on.
at this is the tent like us and Indians.
Yeah. Let's do it over.
It's only that's for you on Mia's
Yeah.
tent.
Yeah, that's me as a hyphen there.
Yeah.
You can even stand in there.
Oh.
We're going all around.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Candy.
Shake it over.
Cool. Oh, look at the candy.
No cake.
Oh, that's cupcakes. A party, huh?
Party. Oh,
Oh, yeah,
look.
yummy.
Yay.
Cool. And this looks like a circus.
Yeah. Look, a bullfight and an elephant.
You went to a circus before, me, Mom, and Dada.
And popcorn.
Cool. Oh, look at that. That looks like fun.
Yeah. That's good move. Good.
Wow, look at this one. Donuts, lollipops.
Yummy, lollipop and Easter.
Cool.
And flowers. Ooh,
Cool.
I love flowers. Ooh, hot.
Oh, ice
And
cream.
ice cream.
Yummy.
That is not real.
But it looks yummy.
Yeah, ice popcorn.
Yummy ice cream.
Yummy ice cream.
Look at the circus.
circus. And popcorn.
Oh, yummy
and monkey
popcorn.
And nanny.
Oh, yeah, yummy popcorn.
And popping yummy. Cake.
Oh, that's the birthday party.
Yeah. Cake.
Oh, that's a big cake.
Yeah. Ice cream.
Yummy in the
That's a big
tummy.
ice cream. Lollipop. That's a big.
Yummy. This is so much fun.
I want to fall asleep.
Oh, you're gonna fall asleep. Oh, chocolate.
Huh? Chocolate?
You woke up for chocolate. Right there is me on chocolate. Do you like chocolate like that? Oh, you're gonna fall asleep again.
Chocolate?
Oh, look at gingerbread man.
Chocolate?
That's actually Gingerbread Girl, so that's Christmas.
We're done.
Say thank you.
Thank